So what is Microsoft Places? It's a feature available for you within Microsoft Outlook, your calendars, MS Teams. This is specifically useful if you have a hybrid model. You work partly from home, partly from the office. Sometimes you have client visits. Sometimes you may work internationally. You have to travel. You have to be on the road. This is absolutely a game changer. And what makes it so special is the ability to infuse AI and Copilot into it to make your life easier. So I'll show you how much time you can save by utilizing this within your business. Hello everyone, my name is Zihab. In this channel, I talk about the latest trends in technology, AI, focus on the Microsoft ecosystem. I also invite guests, fellow Microsoft MVPs, and other experts in the technology field to add value to my very esteemed viewers. One of the things that I hate the most is scheduling. Get people calendars to align. It's a nightmare, especially if you work in a vibrant, fast-paced space. This becomes a nightmare. And Microsoft do second what I'm saying now. They say that the average time it takes to schedule a call per user is around 15 minutes. It may take more than that if you think about all the messages going back and forth. Oh, I can't make this time, make that time. All that stuff probably is even more than 15 minutes. And on average, we make 68 meeting invites in total throughout the month. And what Microsoft are telling us now through AI and Copilot, utilizing Places, which I'll talk about more now, we can cut all that time and let AI help us to do the scheduling for us in seconds, rather than us having to go and chase calendars and get these bookings aligned. So what's Places? Places pretty much is a feature that allows you to manage your work location. So your availability on your calendar, Monday to Friday, you could say, I'm working every day remotely. On Monday, I'm working from home. Tuesday, I'm on this client site. Thursday, I'm in Birmingham. Wednesday, I'm in London, etc. What this is doing, this is feeding useful insights to the big brains of Copilot AI to help you with suggestions, bookings management, conflict management as you go throughout your month and weeks when you do your meetings. And I'll explain more about how AI works with this data and make life better for you. So let's say you have some meetings aligned to come up with your colleague David, and it happened that both you and David are in London. On that given day, Copilot is going to say, hey, there is that slot. Both you and David are in London. How about you do the meeting then? Or please do that. Tick. It sent the invite for you. That AI infusion with the workplaces experience and the meeting experience is incredible. So the follow feature that's been out for a while now. So you get 2 calls, one of them is client-facing, takes priority, but there is another important call. You can't be 2 people at once, right? So what this does, you don't decline the call. You say, I'm following this call. What that gives you the ability to access the history of that call, the resources, what's shared, and utilize the AI features like recap, ask Copilot questions about that call, so you don't miss it and you don't have to sit through 2 hours of a call and waste your time through pleasantries in England, in the UK, half an hour talking about the weather. We all do it. It doesn't get boring. We do it all the time. It is what it is. But with Copilot and recap, you kind of pretty much get all the important and useful insights, even though you weren't on that call in person. And now in Places, not only that you are determining the location from a top level, but when you do the bookings and availability, also, you kind of break it down as much as rooms, as much as desks. If you're hot desking in a big building, 7 floors, I'll be on, 3rd floor, sitting exactly here. This is where I'm booking. So this is really amazing. And Copilot now works seamlessly with this. And this is back to my comment earlier around availability and your location. So now I could go and speak to Copilot and say, well, I would like to arrange my one-to-one with my manager. And, you know, my schedule is crazy. His schedule is crazy. It takes a while to do. He's going to go and does the magic, looks through my calendar, my manager's calendar. And if I need it in person, is going to look at the location. Where are we going to be? And okay, there are these available slots. Which one would you like to use? This one, please. You click on it, it's going to generate the invite. You can type in, you know, the agenda, blah, blah, blah. You get that invite will be sent. It's as simple as that. You're not doing any checks. You're not doing any manual check-in between calendars. Copilot goes away and does that for you. And one of the things that can be annoying. So let's say you have a couple of meeting rooms, 3 meeting rooms, big ones, small ones in the business. Typically, you have an owner of these rooms, and they may decline your request. They may overwrite it. You have an important guest coming to see your CEO. That takes priority. What Copilot can do for you now, when things get declined, it goes and books what's available in that slot and notify you. So you still have that meeting, but the room location will be updated because of the changes that took place. Again, I need to see that in practice. How is it done? How it's managed, to see how to get a feel of it. In theory, it sounds good. And again, it's AI, it's learning your patterns, it's looking at your location and your requirements and what you need, and it's putting all that in consideration when it does the rebooking. Also, this is available for you not only through Outlook, but also available through MS Teams calendar. So that experience is consistent through the business chat as well. It works seamlessly with it. The whole idea, the whole concept is save time, save time, save time, do less admin work, and more doing the work. I hope you found this video useful. In my work, the way I do things, we are fully remote at the moment. We call it winning from anywhere, so I don't really have much of a need for that. But my colleagues who do client visits, particularly the commercial teams, they find this feature very useful. If you used it in the past, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this content useful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care for now.